everybody, it's game time. As you can see in front of you, there are some new goodies in. I hate when I do this. I start a video before really understanding what I'm even gonna open. But let's go over it. Another box of Elite. This is probably gonna be the last one of these. I've had a lot of fun opening this, and wanted to grab up one more box. I told you guys I was gonna do 2 of these. This is box number 2. I did get a decent auto out of the first box if you want to go back and watch that video. Playoff. I think I did 2 of these, so I decided to do one more. These cards, they went from 2 hits to 4 hits, so I've had fun opening this, although if you will recall, I got ripped off of a hit not once but twice out of this. The first time I sent the box top off, I followed all the rules and sent it off to Panini, and they sent me a replacement hit. The second time I sent it off, they claimed they didn't receive it. So yeah, it might have been kind of stupid for me to actually even get this now that I think about it, because it really made me mad. Although the replacement hit that they did send me the first time around wasn't, all that great anyway, but still, you pay for something, you should get what you have paid for. Prism. I sat around and waited on this to see what the price was going to do. I was not going to pay over $200 a box, and luckily the price came falling down quite a bit, and so when I saw that happen, I decided to go ahead and do one more box of this. So there's that. There are 3 autographs in this, and with another reason I went ahead and decided to get this was my little, I've had this lucky streak, so I thought, why not grab up a box of Prism and see if I can carry that luck over into that. And last but not least is some Rookies and Stars. Again, 4 hits, and also had the same problem as Playoff with this, and had a missing hit out of one of these boxes. So the quality control with these 2 have been less than impressive. Hopefully it does not happen again. So where to begin? I think I'm going to start with the baseball here. Let's go ahead and do baseball, and then I'll just spend the rest of the evening busting into some football. Pull this back. We'll get into it. There are 8 autos, 2 men. Had a ton of fun opening this. There are only 5 packs, only 25 cards total, and most of those, well, a lot of these are going to be hits. So as far as just fun, you can't really beat that. Just hit after hit after hit. Lots of parallels, some really good looking cards, and all of the base cards are individually numbered to $9.99. So there are the packs, nothing super thick. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, we're going to start off with a blue parallel of Elias Reynoso, and that is numbered out of 75. I'll try not to fingerprint these. These pick up fingerprints really easily. Here is a sticker auto international player, Saul Bautista. On-card auto, Simeon Woods Richardson. Or should I just say initials? Not really an autograph. Brewer Hicklin to $9.99, and Seth Beer. I like Seth Beer. Next up we have Roblin Lopez base card. Another international player, Steel Walker. Filler. Will Banfield to 100. Purple Aspirations on card. Nice card there. Armando Cruz to 25. Is that numbered 1? Yeah, 1 out of 25. Another international though. DJ Peters, parallel to 150. Next up, pack number 3. Tristan Beck base card. Sweet. One of the chrome, holochrome, optichrome. Diego Cartaya. Don't know this guy. Taylor Trammell dual, just 2 little white patches. It's like a gold version, numbered to 99. Stumbling over my words. Jordan Grushan's 23 of 25. That is an on-card auto. Lyon Richardson to 100 orange aspirations. Nothing too spectacular yet. Still 2 packs to go. Franklin Perez base card. Everson Piera, I guess. Josh Stowers on card. Not bad. James Nelson Future Threads to 144. And Ryan Weathers parallel to 75. Aspirations blue. Alright, last pack. Do me right, Elite, because I think this is the last time you and I are going to tangle for a while. Shane McClanahan. Mason Fiole. This is another Optichrome. Oh, my favorite player name, Carter Kaboom. This is also numbered to 99. Josh Jung Optichrome Auto, so that's sweet. I don't think I've pulled any of these. And it is numbered out of 99. So this is a good little hit there. And the last card is Jason Schroeder to 49. A Emerald Aspirations die cut. So I definitely don't think this was my best box of this. I'm not sure if it was my worst. Can't really remember. I think that little chrome auto kind of came in and saved the day there at the end. But anyways, I've enjoyed Elite Extra Edition this year. I did last year too. I've opened a ton of it. And I'll probably continue to open 17 because it has so many stars in there. So alright, if you want to see any of these football boxes that are hovering there in the back be open, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell to turn on the alerts, and you will be notified when I post up those videos, which will be very, very soon. Because everybody knows I don't sit on boxes. I'm a card opening crackhead. They will be open soon. Okay, everybody take care. I'll be back.